What's up, everybody? How you doing? I hope you guys had a great week, and we had a really good week at the shop. Had this kid named Andy's birthday party. Oh, this kid Andy's mom made a cake that glowed in the dark. She used this glow in the dark powder, and it had these like black LED flashlights. And hint, I got some of those for myself. For our spooky printmaking and spooky slime workshops coming up. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be glow in the dark slime and glow in the dark prints. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be so much fun. Anyway, thanks to Andy's mom for coming up with that cool idea. The glow in the dark cake was unbelievable. It was like a slime cake. The stuff was dripping down. I don't know how this lady did this. The mom made the cake. She's amazing. She makes cakes. You should check her out. And I just wanted to show you my new book, my daily doodle book, and the sketch doodle and dream book. But I kind of like it. It's like a yellow color, like my little Pulp logo. But what else did I do this week? Oh, you gotta see this. This is cool. I drew this pencil this week. Every Monday, I'm gonna do this thing where I'm gonna sit right here, put the camera above, put a piece of paper down, and I'm gonna draw an object that I am grateful for. Years ago, I did this gratitude every morning. I still do it sometimes, but I gotta be honest, I kind of stopped doing it. Every morning, I would wake up and come up with 3 things to be grateful for. Random things, nothing, just like light bulbs, rugs, and toothbrushes. So my gratitude journal, I started drawing the 3 things every day. That was a terrible idea because what happened is every morning I would wake up and I would try to come up with 3 things to be grateful for, but 3 things that I knew I had to draw. I could not do that, so I kind of just freaked out, stopped doing it altogether, and I haven't done it in a while. But what I'm doing now is once a week, I'm gonna think about an object all week long. I've been thinking about the object, and on Monday, I'm gonna draw it. And this was last Monday was the first time, and I drew this pencil. I'm gonna put over here like the little time lapse of me drawing this thing. It was so much fun to do, and I like it. I think it came out pretty nice. I signed it. I'm gonna keep all of my everyday object, gratitude, mundane objects kind of thing, like this grateful objects. And I'm going to do a whole series every Monday. I'm going to draw them. I'll post them up. I hope you like it. If you like it, take a look at it. I'm going to keep it in the shop and show people. Because I think you should do this. I think you should draw an object that you're grateful to have in your life. This weekend, we have a relaxing watercolor workshop. Tried to kind of calm myself down and relax. Doesn't usually work. It ends up being slightly less than relaxing watercolor workshop, but it's still relaxing. A lot of people, parents come, they said, oh, this was so relaxing. We have watercolor paper. I got ginormous watercolor paper. Anyway, that's that. I want to do an activity. I want to draw something right now. I don't know what I'm going to draw. I have no clue what I'm going to draw. So I just decided because we have a relaxing watercolor workshop on Saturday, I'm going to write the word relax. Okay, so now what I have to do is this. I take one of my triplets fine liners, and now I have to start really committing to where the curve is gonna be. It's gonna be very scratchy at first because I'm still kind of I'm still sort of sketching it around. But it's basically trying to establish those exact curves. Look at this, it's so relaxing. How do you like to relax? I like to relax by drawing the word relax, and then I'm gonna color this word in. Can you tell how relaxed I am? I'm talking so low. See what's happening? If you're a parent, get your kid to write the word relax and color it in. It'll help them relax, because just as I'm drawing this word, I'm thinking about relaxing. Go get a piece of paper right now and write the word relax. We're doing school trips like crazy now. I got all the teachers are emailing me like crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so many emails from teachers. God, keep them coming, because I gotta fill a lot of dates. Look at that. I think this is making me relax. Oh. Relax, don't do it when you wanna cut through it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna call. When you wanna call. Call. I don't know how that song goes. Who sung that song? Oingo Boingo or something? Who sung Relax, Don't Do It? I think it's Oingo Boingo. Is that? I don't know who sung that song. Bowie, come say hello to the camera. Come say hello. Oh, here she comes. Come say hello. There's Bowie. Oh, she does this all the time. She licks me in the face and I don't like it. Bowie, look, I'm relaxing. What do you think? No, look. Look at my relaxing thing. Do you like it? She wants to play. Okay. I gotta do this now, Bowie. Come on. I gotta draw this thing for these people. I'm gonna. What do you want? What? What? I'm drawing, Bowie. Look what I'm doing. I'm gonna pick a relaxing color like blue. And what I'm gonna do is this. Watch what I'm gonna do. I guess I should turn it right side up. I'm gonna take my other glasses on. And I am going to start in the middle. And I am gonna do stuff like this. And when I finish with all of this, I'm gonna do stuff like this where I'm gonna put the blue just to kind of show you. Look at this. And then you do stuff like that at the end and you really have to go over it. And I think that'll look interesting. And then I'm gonna take this color. I'm only gonna pick like these 3 colors. And then I'm gonna do like this. And I usually, the way I do this is I sort of take it to as far as I can take it